In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable to Excel. We'll walk through this from start to finish so you can quickly get your Airtable data into a spreadsheet format that's easy to share, analyze, or archive. First, open Airtable in your browser and navigate to the base that contains the information you want to export. A base is like a project or a database for a specific topic, such as a project tracker, a content calendar, or a CRM. Once you're in the correct base, look for the specific table that holds your data. Tables appear as tabs along the top or side, and each one usually represents a different category of information. Click on the table you want to export so it becomes active on your screen. Next, you'll want to choose the right view. Airtable lets you create different views, such as grid, gallery, Kanban, or others. And each view can show or hide certain fields, apply filters, or sort rows in a specific way. The key thing to remember here is that Airtable will only export the data that's visible in the current view. So, switch to the view that has exactly the records and fields you need. For example, if you only want filtered data, make sure you're in that filtered view before you export. This helps you avoid having to clean up the spreadsheet later. Once you're in the correct view, look for the view name at the top left of the table. Right next to that name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the View Options menu. In this menu, find and select the option labeled Download CSV. A CSV file, or comma-separated values file, is a simple text format that works very well with Excel and most other spreadsheet tools. When you click Download CSV, Airtable will generate a file that contains the data exactly as it appears in your current view. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer where you can easily find it later and give the file a clear name so you remember what it contains. After the download finishes, open the folder where it was saved, then double-click the CSV file. It should automatically open in Microsoft Excel. If it doesn't, right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select Excel. Once it's open in Excel, you can format the columns, create charts, add formulas, or save it as a regular Excel workbook for ongoing use. That's all you need to export your Airtable data into Excel quickly and reliably.